Welcome back. Mitch Argon here with Cal Neva Realty. I'm going to take you through the Reno Tahoe real estate market in just a few minutes for February 2022. Okay, let's get started. Like we have in prior months, we'll start with median price. Pricing, as you can see, has settled down just a bit. However, the Reno market set a new median price high at $595,000 approximately, which represents a 26% increase over January of 2021, which is a pretty heavy increase on that price. On the right side, you can see the average over the last 6 months in terms of where pricing has been. I'll talk a little bit more about pricing and inventory here in just a moment and what's going on there. Quick view here on the market snapshot. Again, the pricing is already there that we just looked at for January 2022 over January 2021. You can see that homes sold has bounced around a little bit. We did see a pickup in general across the board, in some cases a little more actively than others. The bigger picture here that I wanted to point out is the month supply of inventory, which is over here on the far right side of the chart. These numbers that you see here in February 2022 that we see 0.4, 0.3, 0.5 have all gone down quite a bit since the October-November timeframe of last year. So last fall, these numbers were just above 1, and they're back down into the 0.4, 0.5, 0.3 range in some cases. So what we are seeing is that month supply of inventory tightening up. We have had less listing inventory coming on than we probably need to keep the markets moving fluently, and that's creating some challenging market conditions for buyers and some further opportunity for sellers. So let's talk about what's influencing the market. I'm going to focus this short conversation here on just what's pushing pressure up and what's pushing pressure down. So interest rates are rising. The refi boom is pretty much off. Lenders are now really focusing just on helping people with the buying and selling, the buying of property. Rates are now up into near the 4%-ish range, which is up quite a bit from the lows they were at, still historically low. But that interest rate rising is putting downward pressure on pricing, even though it's not reflected in the market right now, and those pricing numbers we just looked at. It will impact pricing. We have had some buyers who were on the edge of being able to qualify to buy a home. With the rate increase going on, they now no longer qualify. So that would be more at the entry level range of the market. As I mentioned earlier, inventory remains very low. That does put upward pressure on pricing. So we have conflicting forces going on in the market right now. That low inventory in the marketplace is creating an increase in multiple offer situations. It's probably not as severe, if you will, as it was last year in the spring. But I would anticipate that if we don't get listings coming on the market here at a higher rate than we were last year, it could be, again, a very competitive spring market with a lot of multiple offers on properties. We're seeing that now across all price ranges. It's not just limited to lower price homes. We're seeing it in the $800,000 and $900,000 range. That does create a good selling opportunity for those of you who are looking to sell. If you're on the other side of the equation, you're buying a home, it is more challenging, and it just requires you to be a little more aggressive and more competitive. So that's it for this month. Just a quick update. Wanted to just reference that the Greater Reno Tahoe Real Estate Report we publish every month. It's on our website. There's a link right down below this video here on YouTube. You can click that link and see about 39 pages of different charts and graphs focusing in more detail on each individual market within the region that we've highlighted here at the summary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, give a message on YouTube, or reply back to the email you may have received for this video. And we'll have one of our agents follow up and help you out, or I can help you out, whether you're in Reno, Sparks, Fernley area, or down all the way down through Douglas County, Minden, Gardnerville area. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next month. Thanks for watching.